Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth head-to-head comparison review about these two stock trading platform called Moomoo and Stake. So let's quickly dive into it. Help you decide which of these stock trading platform will be a better choice for you in 2025. So Moomoo is built for active traders who want depth and powerful tools. Its pros include commission-free UX trades, access to global markets like Hong Kong and AX, real-time data, and advanced charting. It's also packed with educational resources. On the flip side, the cons are the steep learning curve, occasional hidden fee like FX charges, and features overload that can overwhelm beginners. Stake, on the other hand, keeps things simple with a clean interface and flat fee pricing that makes AX trading straightforward. The pros include easy account setup, UX stocks access, and a beginner-friendly app. However, cons are limited advanced features, weaker charting compared to Moomoo, and higher cost on some trades. In my conclusion, pick Moomoo if you are an active trader needing depth, but go with Stake if you want a simple, easy, no free platform. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks.